For this assignment, you or your group members will need to create a Carmen Zoom meeting room in order to hold your conversations. It's important that you establish as a group who is in charge of creating these meetings, because the person creating the meetings also is in charge of recording the meetings and making the recording available to the instructor. To begin, go to osu.zoom.us. Click on Sign In. Here you can schedule a new meeting simply by clicking on that, entering the name of the meeting, for example, Charla 1, right? You can establish when the meeting will be held by clicking on the calendar. Let's say it's the 20th at 11 a.m. If you would like to make your other classmates hosts and be able to start the meeting and those types of things, go ahead and put in their email address here and then click on Save. Your meeting is now available, but make sure if you did not put in your classmates as alternative hosts that you invite them to the link, sharing this link, the meeting ID, and especially the passcode. You can do that through email, you can do that through the discussion board, or any way that you've been in contact with your group members. Another way to do that is going to the Zoom app. Clicking Sign In. Again, you're not signing in with your email address, you're signing in with this SSO. OSU is the domain name. It'll take you to sign in. You sign in with your OSU credentials. Click on Open. It'll open up the app for you. Once you're here, you can just simply click on Schedule in order to schedule a new meeting. Again, just like similar to what we did before, this time just through the app. But you cannot put in alternative hosts this way, which is a clear advantage of using the osu.zoom. Once you're in the Zoom meeting, be sure to record the meeting. This is a very important step if you want credit for this assignment. Simply, if you're on the iPad, go to More and record to the cloud. You will now be recording this meeting and it will be accessible in the cloud. If you are not using iPad, you'll simply find your record button on the desktop or laptop application. Be sure that somebody in the group records the meeting. You all should be receiving a notification that the meeting is being recorded. After you stop the recording should be available a few hours later in the cloud. What you do is you go again to osu.zoom.us or carmenzoom.osu.edu. Click on Recordings. Scroll down to find the recording that you just did. Now you would simply click on the Share icon, copy sharing information to the clipboard. Once you've copied the Zoom link to your clipboard, simply go to find the assignment. Again, it's the first one's in week 3. You find the assignment, click on it, scroll down, click on Reply, and enter that information down below. Go ahead and post it there, and then your instructor can watch the video, give you feedback as a group, as well as record your grade in the gradebook.